Yeah. So that's what will happen.
To declare the strengthening of the criminal response justice GPV, or what we call Justice for Her project official.
My Lord,
because at the end of the day you may say, oh, he's taking it back home. So it is with great honor.
For a well-deserved elevation to the position of the Deputy, to give our readiness for the project. My Lord, you are most welcome as our Chief. I am honored here to welcome you, my Lord, and all our participants here. And
our stakeholders present, since he is the nearest person with all the best information.
Your Worship, the Chief Registrar,
seeing the project grow beyond Masaka High Court Circuit and the other pilot courts and provide a systemic approach to mainstream. For your leadership and for your expert guidance in conceptualizing this project. And cultural leaders, invited guests, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. The representatives of our implementing partners, the judiciary, the office of the Dibia today, Masaka City, Masaka District, at the launch of the second phase. The Chief Registrar, Her Worship Pamela Lamuno Hochaya, partner UN Women, and my dear friend, Dr. Paulina Chiwango, and Dr. Flavian Zeja, who I want to greet in a special way since he is
the guest of honor. Allow me straight away invite Christian open cooperation. We'll also follow. Prisons, justice centers,
kindly, let's all meet there.
Are we through with that?
Abasajja nabo babakuba. Tobalabaga oluusi bakaba ku social media mubalaba ndowooza nabo babakuba naye nga abasajja omanyi kugamba society yatukola nga tugaana okulaga nti omukyala akukuba ate naye kiri nomo. Omukyala ayinza okusinza amaani n'akuba kati bw'aba akukubye genda oyogere ku poliisi oloope ku poliisi tulebe engeri gye tukuyambamu naawe kubanga eno projekiti y'abakyala bokka n'abasajja nabo we bali happy.
Men of course, men of them also keep quiet silently because of the culture, of course, you know, men here believe to be very strong even when they are weak sometimes. So when you are beaten by your wife, so when they ask you what happened to your face, you say, I hit myself on the wall when I was and yet it is your wife who gave you a beating. So men don't want to come out. In Masaka here, you had the highest number of parents defiling their own daughters. And actually, it's a special case for Masaka. So one time, someone pleaded guilty. So I asked the Pharaoh, so why did you defile your own daughter? And then he told me something which is maybe something which, as the leadership of the area, you need to appreciate. That he went to a witch doctor. yeah, this is what he told me, that he went to a witch doctor, and the witch doctor told him that in order for him to get rich, he must defer on his own daughter. Of course, these witch doctors, they know their things don't work. So they give you some impossibility thinking that you are not going to do it. So I think the man was so desperate to become rich. So he did the unthinkable.
It is of course that for criminal cases we have a session system, meaning that the cases are not heard on a daily basis. Meaning when you are the victim, you might have to wait for years until your case is being heard. You know, you were already traumatized once by going through the offense. But then maybe, you know, within some years you really have stabilized, you feel a bit better, again you're being called to the court. You're definitely that factor of time that we're trying to deal with right now. But we're also trying to go out into the communities and sensitize them. So it's really a lot also about the prevention of GBV. And I think what it really needs in that regard is for all of us to stand up and to speak up for what is right. I think we all really know deep in our hearts what is right and what is wrong.
Is 1,260. Those are criminal trial ready cases. And then what about the project that has brought us here? SGBB cases in our system, they stand at 565. 565. If I do mathematics, those interested in statistics and mathematics, that is the percentage of 44.8%.
Ending gender-based violence requires collective actions from the government, civil society members, all community members, and all individuals must unite to challenge harmful norms. This project serves as a pilot of a tried and tested model, offering a valuable opportunity for other East African countries to learn and replicate its success.